Hi, I'm Cathal Fitzpatrick from VMware by Broadcom. VMware's RIC Partner Development Program includes some of the most innovative RAN application developers active in the industry today. Many of the members of our RIC program specialize in particular aspects of the RIC when building their applications, but I'm joined today by Pawel Kubczak from Rimedo Labs, a company that specializes in combining multiple RIC applications to build particularly powerful and useful applications for communication service providers. I'm also joined by my colleague, Ari Uskadar, Product Development Lead at VMware, who is an expert on the various RIC functions that Rimedo are using when building their applications. And you're both very welcome to the call today. So Pawel, can I ask you to start by telling us a bit about Rimedo Labs?
Sure. Rimedo Labs is a specialized technology company focusing on researching and developing advanced solutions for RAN. We are designing and implementing algorithms for RAN, optimization and management, covering aspects like load balancing, energy saving, massive MIMO, or security. We combine deep technical expertise with a strong focus on innovation and collaboration.
Excellent. And what applications have you built on the VMware RIC platform?
Rimedo has developed a few applications. One of them is traffic steering, which won the inaugural Rapathon hosted by the VMware and the Intel at MWC 2023, and is designed to enable intelligent and flexible user-to-cell association. The second one is energy-saving xApps, works with the traffic steering xApps to reduce energy consumption in cellular networks by monitoring network load and deciding to turn off or on the cells as needed. The energy-saving xApps helps maintain efficient operation while saving energy. At last but not least, there is a traffic management. It's a tool for network operation aiming to optimize the RAN performance. It optimizes the traffic steering xApps operation for various traffic scenarios. The xApps collects the device's location, types, requirements, and speed. When the network has enough resources, traffic management xApps try to minimize time-critical traffic by minimizing the number of handovers.
Very good. So you mentioned that your RApps provide policy information to xApps. And so what are the benefits to operators of this type of integration between RIC applications?
Okay, using xApps guided by the policies provided by the xApps offers several significant benefits for network operators and can enhancing their network's overall performance, flexibility, and efficiency. Here are the key advantages. Optimized traffic management. xApps can analyze network conditions over a longer term and provide policies to xApps for real-time traffic management. This approach leads to improvement load balancing, reduced congestion, and better resource utilization. Dynamic adaptation. xApps can dynamically adapt to changing network condition based on the policies provided by the xApps, ensuring optimal performance even during peak usage times or sudden changes in the traffic patterns. Energy-saving xApps, like the energy-saving xApp, can provide policies for xApp to turn off or on network elements based on usage patterns. This solution leads to significant energy savings without compromising network performance. Sustainability. By reducing energy consumption, operators can lower their carbon footprint, contributing to more sustainable network operation. xApps provide policies that enable xApp to manage network resources efficiently, allowing the network to scale up or down based on demand. This flexibility is crucial for handling varying traffic flows and ensuring consistent service quality. The use of standardized interface, such as the A1 interface, allow for seamless integration of xApps and xApps from different vendors, promoting an open and interoperable ecosystem.
Excellent. And Ari, can I ask you then to explain maybe some of the features of the VMware RIC that Rimedo are using to build their applications?
Sure. So in big picture, VMware provides the real-time RIC platform, which provides the R1 exposure services, service management and discovery, data management and discovery, to fetch the data from southbound multi-vendor environments and ingest into apps for whatever parameters or configuration changes they want to actuate. and basically they're all the apps that are mentioned by Pawel are hosted on the RIC in different platforms and different contexts, like RAN Alliance, I14Y in Berlin, an actual customer trial and POC that we're doing for a tier 1 European customer. And we've seen that the most important aspect of collaboration is innovation and agility, because the logics that Rimedo have developed for these plugfests have been very complicated, but developed in literally a couple weeks, which in a legacy world happens in a couple of years. So that's a very huge difference. Innovation is very much real. Agility is also as real, because with the flexibility by Rimedo and other partners to change the part of the codes or the algorithm, etc. Sometimes when customer requirements are also in place. So these are very promising, I would say, facts when moving towards ORAN. And next step would be for RAN vendors to support the KPIs which are required for having all these great use cases in production. Because for now, we're using simulators either by VMware or by other simulator companies to provide those RAN KPIs. And most of these advanced use cases require KPIs that don't exist yet. Like an example, UE uplink throughput is a very key KPI for predicting the QoE, which is a very foundational aspect of all the use cases that Pawel just mentioned. So we are looking forward for the industry to evolve so that we move our scenarios into production sooner.
Very good. So Pawel, this all sounds really exciting. So can I ask you maybe to tell us, are there any upcoming events where operators can meet you and learn more about the applications that you've been building?
Okay, Rimedo Labs will participate in several upcoming events. One is the Berlin Open RAN Working Week, and the second is I14Y Labs Summit 24, Validate and Implement. Those events provide excellent opportunities for customers to interact with the Rimedo Labs, explore our innovative solution, and discuss potential collaboration. For the latest updates on our event participation, you can of course visit our official LinkedIn profile and follow us. Thank you.
Thanks, Pawel. So you know, I guess you have lots of interest at those events because given the innovative nature of the applications that you're building. So thank you today for joining us, and thank you, Ari, for explaining the different rig features that have been used. So if anyone has any questions, you can please check out VMware's website or Rimedo's website, and there's lots of good information there. So thank you for joining.